Alright, what's up and welcome back to the Cellular Mechanic channel. We were working on a Chevy Express with a 5.3. There was some kind of issue with it running weird or misfiring or something like that. I pulled the valve covers off both sides and made sure that there was no rocker issues, push rod issues. Had to charge the battery, spun it over by hand just to make sure it wasn't locked up. Cranked it over. We have good oil pressure, good compression, and all 8. It looks like it's got new coils and relatively new plugs in it. I could smell fuel off the passenger bank, but could not smell fuel off of this bank. But each one of those injectors is clicking. I checked them with Noid lights also. But right now I'm waiting for my Milwaukee battery to charge up. And then I'm going to put the valve covers back on, spark plugs back in, coils back on, and try firing it as it sits and seeing if I can replicate any issues. So y'all stay tuned.